Here is how to create free Ghibli style image or art. So first you'll need to go to insmind.com and the website is going to be in the description. And then make sure you sign up with a uh, Google account or Gmail, or you can manually create an account using any different email. This is required. Uh, Otherwise, you will not be able to generate images. They will give you 1 credit, which is basically 1 image per account, unless you pay for it. Next, we're going to click on AI photo to Ghibli, or you can click here on the right bottom side. It's basically the same. And then it will take you to this page right here. Now, simply you will just need to upload your photo or selfie here. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use these example images. And then you can pick from different categories: sketch, cartoon, art. For the Ghibli, we're going to be in the cartoon tab or section. Then you can pick the style you want from these different styles here. I'm usually picking, or people usually pick these between these two. So I'm going to pick the first one and then click generate. Now it will take few seconds up to 1 minute because there is high demand on this. It's trending right now. So we're going to wait for it. Of course, if you want to skip this queue and the wait time, you can upgrade to Pro. But we're not going to do that in this video. So when it's done generating, it should display the photo here. Now, once it's completed, it should you should see your new photo here, and you can only download it in standard resolution, and it's gonna have the website mark in here. So if you want to remove that, you should again pay for it, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe. And if you want, you can also support the channel to keep this going. And see you on the next one.